Anaconda versus Python, a detailed comparison for programmers. Python and Anaconda serve distinct roles for programmers, with Python being a versatile language and Anaconda focusing on data science. Anaconda includes package management with Conda, a range of preloaded packages, and supports creating isolated environments. Python is known for its readability, extensive library, and supports a wide array of applications from web development to data analysis. Anaconda simplifies data science tasks with pre-installed libraries and environment management, but may limit customization compared to Python. Python offers broader flexibility and control, beneficial for experienced programmers requiring specific libraries or custom setups. Anaconda is ideal for beginners in data science due to its integrated environments and package management, while Python suits more varied programming needs. Ultimately, choosing between Python and Anaconda depends on the specific requirements of the project and your expertise. For more insights, head over to the blog in the description box below, and stay tuned for more exciting content.